Deputy Prime Minister and Minister for Trade Manoa Kamikamica is scheduled to meet with a delegation of U.S. trade officials this Thursday to discuss ongoing tariff measures affecting Fijian exports. The meeting follows a recent decision by the U.S. President to pause the imposition of a 32% tariff on Fijian products, instead introducing a temporary 10% blanket tariff for 90 days. Manoa with this report.
While the reduction of 32% to 10% of tariff is seen as a short-term relief for local exporters, the Ministry of Trade maintains that the current tariff level remains disproportionate. Line Minister Manoa Kamikamica argues that Fiji's exports, which consist mainly of primary commodities such as ndalo, cassava, Fiji water, etc., pose no threat to the U.S. domestic industry or employment.
Our total tariffs that we charge to any U.S. imports on average is, when you look at the whole bucket of imports, it's only 2%. So, from that perspective, we feel that the tariff imposition is still disproportionate. Right? So, by Thursday, we're having a discussion with the U.S. trade officials. Hopefully that will turn into an opportunity to travel to Washington possibly to negotiate, and keen to put forward Fiji's view. If you ask me, I think we should be at 0%.
He emphasized the complementary nature of Fijian products in the U.S. market. Items like Fiji water are positioned as premium products and are not in direct competition with mainstream American goods.
Our products really complement rather than compete with U.S. And interestingly, even Fiji water employs about 500 personnel in the U.S. because of Fiji water. So these are things that we'll try and share with the U.S. TR, and we go from there. But keen to have the opportunity to have a negotiation with the U.S. government. I think the fact that we're having a meeting on Thursday means that obviously they had to listen to the larger countries, and now it's down to some of the smaller countries.
The upcoming negotiation aims to secure a more favorable term for Fijian exporters, with the hope of easing the financial burden on local producers and strengthening trade relations between the two countries.
The USTR is the trade arm of the US government, and so they're generally our equivalents in government. So the meeting on Thursday is with the ambassador for USTR. And that will hopefully form the platform for, if possible, further discussions and negotiations.
He urges Fijian exporters to remain vigilant in the meantime, as positive outcome expected from the meeting later this week. Manoa, Fiji One News.